Types of fish. Do you love fish? If so, then this video is for you. There are many different types of fish that could be your next pet. People have been keeping pet fish for centuries, and the hobby only continues to grow. In this video, we will explore different types of pet fish that are popular amongst many homeowners. For beginners, the top two choices would be goldfish and guppies. Goldfish thrive in a 20-gallon tank, whereas guppies prefer a 10-gallon tank. Intermediate hobbyists might consider a Siamese fighting fish or a betta fish. Saltwater versus freshwater. The first thing to consider is where your fish lives. Saltwater fish live in a completely different environment than their freshwater counterparts. Saltwater fish should always have a tank that is at least 20 gallons, where the freshwater counterpart needs no more than 1 gallon. The quality of water also differs dramatically. Freshwater fish need clean and clear pools that are refreshed every day, whereas saltwater tanks need an ozone or UV light to keep the water from deteriorating. Both saltwater and freshwater fish can make for a great pet. However, freshwater fish live in a tank where the temperature is stable and the water temperature does not fluctuate. The water is also thought to be better for your pets because it does not expose them to chemicals found in tap water. Whereas saltwater fish often live in a tank with an unpredictable temperature, as well as elements such as chlorine and chloramine. Care requirements. The responsibility of caring for a pet fish is not as challenging as caring for a dog or cat, but it does require some attention and commitment. Fish can be fun to watch and they're satisfying creatures to take care of. They don't need much space and they're nearly odorless, so they're great pets to take into your home. However, there will come a time when you'll need to clean the tank and the water will need changing. Pet fish care requirements can be confusing, but there are some basics that will make caring for your pet a little easier. The first thing you need to do is get a tank. Most pet stores have tanks in a variety of shapes and sizes, so take a look around and find something that suits your needs best. You'll also need a filter and a light to ensure clean water and safe UV rays. Finally, choose the right food for your fish, including flakes or pellets. Cost. All pets have a price tag, but fish seem to be the cheapest of the lot. Do you know the cost of owning a pet fish? Well, if not, this video should be able to answer all of your questions. The average price for freshwater fish is $5 to $20, while saltwater fish averages around $30 to $400. If you are interested in only purchasing one fish tank, it will cost an average of $35 to $60 without any additional items. Good beginner fish. Many people are incredibly excited to get their own pet fish. There are many different types of fish, but not all of them are the best for beginner fish owners. Some fish are very difficult to take care of and can be costly if bought or bred in captivity. If you're looking for a pet fish that is good for beginners, consider getting one of these options: betta fish, guppies, cyclops, flame tetras, zebrafish. Freshwater fish tanks do not require complicated equipment because they mostly consist of a tank, filter, and lights. However, it is important that the novice starts out with a smaller fish that does not need to be fed every day. When you want to choose the best fish pet for beginners, you need to take into consideration what kind of fish is most appropriate. In this video, we provided some helpful tips that will help make the process easier for all novice fish owners. We hope these tips have been helpful. If this video was useful to you, please consider giving a like and subscribe.